Hey everybody, Thelindabradley here with Princess House. So, do you do a lot of cooking over the holidays? Are you the one that everybody comes to your house because you just love to entertain? I have a huge set for you that I think you're going to love. It's got some really big pieces. Look at the cornerstone. The two ends are the two most popular items and the two most expensive items in our catalog. So I'm excited to show you this set. This is set number 11.5. If you're interested, you can reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I'll hook you up. So we're gonna go right into it. This set is for those people that love to cook and like to cook a lot or cook for a lot of people. The two most popular items in our collection right now is, number one, this is our new stand mixer. It has a 7-quart bowl, so it's nice and large. You can put 4 loaves of raisin bread in here, 13 dozen cookies. It's a great, great item that you're gonna use for so many things. It's a workhorse in your kitchen. And so this is number one in my set. The next item that I have that's also going to be hugely helpful for you around the holidays is our high power blender. Have you always wanted one of these? So this is comparable to a Vitamix, and it has 3 different programs. One's for smoothies, one's for dips and spreads, and then one's for hot soup. Yeah, you can make hot soup in here in 7 minutes. But it's a great item that you will use for so many things. I've used it to make oat flour. I've made sunflower butter, hummus, pesto. It's for way more than smoothies. So these 2 items, as I said, are the 2 most popular items. These are the items you're not going to want to put away. Keep them on your counter because you will use them constantly. When I'm telling you that you are a big cooker, here's the next piece that I want to show you. This is a 20-quart stock pot, right? 20 quarts. So most stock pots are 8 quarts. So it's nice and large. This is great for your big batches of chili, if you do tamales or menudo, any of those things that you need. It is a great one. And this is a Tri-ply. Oh, I hit the tamper. Now, also, when you are cooking, I have a great pot over here. Let me see if I can reach it. This is 9 quarts. So this is what most people think of when they think of a stock pot. And this is kind of cool because it does have pour spouts on the side and it has a strainer. So if you have pasta in here, it's very easy to just strain it right into the sink and you don't even need a colander. Now, right now, we are also including our pink silicone tool. So I wanted to show you that this is the tool that you're going to get. It's a mixing spoon, but it's going to be in the pink. And $1 from every one of these goes to the National Breast Cancer Foundation, which is a really lovely charity that helps all women get mammograms and different diagnostic tools that they need. So the company is donating $1 from every one, and I'm doubling it. So we're going to get $2 for every one. Also, when you go to cook, we have our Vida Sana 11-inch skillet. So this can be used as a regular skillet if you want, or it also has that special NutriSeal. And what that does is it allows you to cook without any oils or fats. You can use this for chicken, meat, fish with literally no oil and no fat. It like steams it. It's amazing. So that's a great piece. And as we go into the holidays and after you make all this beautiful food, you're going to want to show it off. So here is our Trifle Bowl, and this is hand cut and hand blown in Europe. It has that beautiful Princess Heritage pattern, and it comes with a set of 8 matching bowls. So these are great for all of your desserts, and you can set a beautiful table. I'm also going to include the stainless steel cleaner to help you keep all of your stainless steel in perfect condition. So this whole entire set, this is an expensive one. These 2 alone are in the book $5.49 each, right? Before shipping and tax. That's already $1,100. This whole table, the value is over $2,400. Oh, that's a big one. But when you buy it in a bundle like this with me, you're going to get it for half price. So you can start this bundle for $300 and then make 10 weekly payments of just $86.70, and it's paid in full. Now you can change those payments if you want. You can pay it in full if you want. If you want to make a payment every other week or once a month, you can make it work. You have 10 weeks to pay off your layaway, and as long as it's paid off in 10 weeks, you're golden. but this is an incredible value because of the high ticket items that I included. But I figured as we got closer to the holidays, you're going to need these items, and don't pay full price. For the price of just these two, you're gonna get everything. So this is set number 11-5. You can reach me at thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will be happy to help you set up this or any other bundle, because I can help you make up your own package if you want. We ship anywhere in the United States, and once it's paid in full, it ships. So depending on how fast you want it, will depend on how fast you take it. All right, do you like it? This is a big package, and I was very excited to put it together because, like I said, these two are, I think they're pretty much tied right now as the #1 selling item in the catalog, and I figured with the holidays coming up, you're gonna need them both. All right, reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will be happy to help you. See you next time. Never know what I have coming.